go left here. So it's 6:15 right now. Portobello Road Market closes at 7. So that's why earlier we could see everyone packing up. I don't think I'd be able to ride my bike through Portobello Road during the day when the market's going on. Can't go right here, let's go straight. Still a lot of life though in this area. So, colourful houses again. Which way do we want to go? Today is the first day ever that I've cycled in London. It's been a pretty crazy day. I've filmed already a few videos. This is number 4. Oh, quite nice back there. I might turn around. Yeah, let's turn around. Skip to the front. Few shops on the right. It's been an absolutely stunning day today in terms of weather. been about 17, 18, 19. I think it got to 20 degrees. Tons of people on the streets of London. We are still in Notting Hill. It's quite a big area. I wanted to go left here, but I can't. Let's go right, actually. So we're on Portobello Road. Never been here before. I think this is usually gated off for vehicles, but because it's coming towards the end of the market, I think people are starting to unload. Someone got their car clamped just back there. It's definitely unfortunate, but probably warranted. Could we go left here? Let's see why not. Well, there are some really nice colourful houses up ahead. Really nice area here, very quiet. It's not crazy like in Central. It's just far enough out to be relaxed, but not like boring or anything. Let's go. We go left. Still a good vibe. People out for dinner. People doing a bit of last minute shopping. I wonder how much it is to rent a place here, let alone buy it. Probably a few £1,000,000 to buy a house here. Renting, oh, I have no idea, it's so expensive. So right now we're heading over towards Notting Hill Gate Station, that area of Notting Hill, other side from the market. One thing I've noticed here in London is that there are so many traffic lights. Like I'm stopping at a red light almost every like couple of minutes. But it's pretty enjoyable to ride your bike here. It can be stressful, like if you're not someone who's confident on the bike, you'll find it stressful here. Just because there's so many people, traffic. He was telling me to go, but I wanted him to go. I've been riding my bike for a while. I was a delivery rider, not here in London, but in Nottingham. So I have a lot of experience riding on the road. But yeah, London can be tricky, but fun. Turn around here. If I continue in that direction, I'm heading out of Notting Hill. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be doing bike tours all the way around the UK, and for sure I'll be coming to London just because it's such great content. And I make videos for my viewers, not just for myself. I am absolutely knackered. I think I've been riding my bike now 6 hours in London. I don't think that's healthy, but I'll do it for the content. I'm going to sleep well tonight, I know that. Although I've got a little bit of a headache. I think I need to be drinking more fluids. Oh. So nice to ride my bike in Notting Hill in these kind of areas. Really chill. going down streets like this. It's pretty cute. It's called Pottery Lane. Faking to shoot at me. Gotta love kids. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, I'm going to put some other bike tours of me going around the UK up on your screen. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.